It's supposed to be a blizzard tonight. Woo! Oh, I had so much trouble getting this tent up. There's almost a 3-foot elevation difference from this side to this side. I had to do some funky stuff to get it to work. Well, the fire's barely going and it's heating up quite nicely in here, making my pants steam. That's why everyone calls me Hot Pants. Nobody calls me that. Oh, that herbal tea hits the spot. Sounds like the wind's starting to kick up a little bit. Occasionally, snow's getting blown off the trees and landing on the tent. It's nice and cozy in here. I got my stew going. Got a bunch of peanuts